Hi everyone, Pierre from Reception Academy. Today we are going to discuss the correction of the exercise number 7 from our home study guide.
Please note this tutorial video has been designed for students taking the Opera PMS home study course. If you don't have already access to the software, you could find more information about the course on our website. I have added the course link to the video description below, and you could get Opera PMS installed and tag along. You just have to click on book now.
For this exercise, I have just created a booking under the name of Alan Thomas. It is a reservation which has been created for 3 nights and for 2 guests, as you can see here. 3 nights and 2 adults. Your guest would like to have a smoking room every time he stays with us. Go to Preferences, ensure you select the smoking tab, add a cross to smoking room, press OK. System asks you would you like to attach it to the profile. Because it's for every stay, we say yes. Save. Guest requested an early check-in at 8 o'clock in the morning. Go to Specials, select Early Arrival with a cross, press OK. The system asks you about the profile. This time we say no, it's a one-off. The guest will not come back every stay at 8 o'clock. And here you type in the time, in arrival time, and it needs to be in 24-hour Android format. And save. Your guest would like the Times newspaper every time he stays with us. So for that, go to Preferences one more time, ensure the News tab is selected, and find out the Time newspaper. Add a cross, press OK. Would you like to attach it to the profile? Say yes, because it was for every stay. And save. Your guests are celebrating their wedding anniversary. So we've got different things to do. We need to update this reservation for this stay, but also the profile for future occasions. Let's start with the profile. Go to your profile ellipsis, select Option, and select Notes. Now, it's a general note, so click on General Note. In title, you put Wedding Anniversary, Wedding Anniversary. And you can copy it, Ctrl-C, because you will use it in the next slide. So guests are celebrating their, and here Ctrl-V, to paste, wedding anniversary. You don't need capital letter because it's in sentence. On the 12/05. And I like to put YYY, but that will depend on your hotel to show the year, in order to avoid confusion with the American way, right? So now once you are done, you want to press OK. You want to close your profile notes. You want to close your profile, and you are back on your reservation. Now, wedding anniversary can be also found in specials. Click on the drop-down menu, go down your list, and here you will see the wedding anniversary. Add a cross, press OK. The system asks you would you like to attach it to the profile. It cannot be for every stay, it's only once a year, so we say no. Save. Now, the next bit you wanted to do is you wanted to ensure that the reception team welcomes the guest and congratulates them for their anniversary. For that, we need a reminder. It's an alert. Click on Options, click on Alerts, select Wedding Anniversary from your list, Anniversary Celebration. You want to congratulate the guest on arrival, so check-in time. And here you can free type your message. You can say congratulate guest on their wedding anniversary. Okay, now guests, there are 2, my apology. And I press OK. Now, once that is done, the next thing you wanted to do is you wanted to create traces. Now, the traces are here to prepare some welcoming setup. So, anniversary setup, if you prefer. Like little surprises, maybe bathrobe, pair of slippers, maybe your restaurant or your room service can deliver a food basket. That will depend of each hotel. Right. Now, in your department code, you want to select room service, housekeeping, and for the last one, it can be reception in certain hotel, and in some other hotel, if you have it, will be guest services. So room services here, and let's select guest service in our case. Press OK. So room service will deliver any food and beverage arrangements, housekeeping, anything regarding the bedroom, like amenities, bathrobe, slippers, and guest services will prepare the congratulation card. Right? So please arrange anniversary setup. And I need to put wedding. Anniversary setup. Okay, done. And then you just have to press OK. So now we've got everything set. We've got a reminder for future years. We've got a reminder on arrival to congratulate the guest. And we have traces organized to deliver the anniversary setup to the room prior to arrival. Press save. Your guest requested a bottle of champagne and some flowers to be arranged to the room. Now what you wanted to do is to make some traces, one for room service and one for the concierge. Option, traces, new. Now you wanted to start with the champagne this time. So select the department room service. I have created a template of the message. I just paste it. Please arrange a bottle of Veuve Clicquot champagne with 2 flutes to be delivered with a capital T. To be delivered to the room prior to 8 AM. Guest requested for few strawberries wrapped in chocolate as a side order, and the budget. Now you want to ensure that there are enough details for the department to be able to perform the task. Press OK. For the second trace, you wanted to go to New, and you wanted to select the concierge. And I created another template for the message, so let me paste it. Please arrange a bouquet of 21 red roses to be delivered to the room prior to 8 AM with the message, I love you to the moon and back, happy anniversary, and the budget. Once again, ensure that there are enough details for the department to be able to perform the task. Press OK. You've got both traces for your room service and for your concierge. You are done with the task. Press close and close your option panel. Now, one thing that I would do in a real-life hotel is first I would check the time if I can do it or not. And the second thing, which is important, is in case it's done on the same day, I will always call the department to check if we can do it or not. Maybe the flower shop are not open and you cannot get the flowers so early. Press save. Guests will be in the restaurant from 5 till 8 to celebrate their wedding anniversary with friends. We know the location, we know the time, let's put it in a locator. Options, locator, type in the time, so 5 in the afternoon is 1700, time ending 2000, and here you've got an ellipsis. Try to always look for shortcuts. So select guest is in the bar. I know it's a restaurant, but it's always faster to retype one word than to write on the full sentence. So guest is in the restaurant, celebrating the wedding anniversary with friends. Right. So it's not guest is, but it's guests are in the restaurant celebrating their wedding anniversary with friends. Now press OK. It's fantastic. Now when their friend will come, instead of being sent to the guest bedroom, we will forward them directly to the restaurant. A good thing you could have done, because your guests are celebrating their wedding anniversary today, would have been to call the restaurant to give them a head start in order to surprise those guests during their big day. Save. We received a parcel for the guest and we need to be sure that we hand it over on arrival. So what you wanted to do is to make a reminder. Options, alerts. Click on New. You wanted to go to your code section and select Package. And then in area, you wanted to select check-in because it's on arrival, right? Here, I have free type of message. I will just type it in. Please give guest the package held by concierge on arrival. Now, the last thing you wanted to do here is to press OK. And press close. Close. And save. Your guest wanted a high floor for this stay and a low floor for every other stay. So to do so, the fastest way is to go to Features, click on the drop-down menu. You want to go down your list. You want to select your low floor first, and you press OK. The system tells you, would you like to attach it to the profile? Say yes, and save. Now, you wanted to remove it from here, because we didn't want low floor. For this step, we wanted high floor instead. Go back to your drop-down menu, and this time we want to select high floor from your list. Just here. Press OK. The system asks you, would you like to attach it to the profile? This time we say no. And save again. Very important to save whenever you update your reservation mask. Now, on this particular booking, we've got a high floor request. And if you click on the preferences length, which is a shortcut to the preferences from the profile, you will see that you will have the low floor requested. Close, save. Your guest wanted us to organize an hairdryer to his room. To do so, go to Item Inventory and you need to book it. Click on New, select from your list your hairdryer, just here. Click on OK. As you can see, the date of stay are here by default. One hairdryer is fine. Press OK. Your hairdryer has now been booked. Press OK to go back to your reservation mask. Now press Save. The system will prompt you with a question about a trace. Say yes. The system has got a template to get the housekeeping department to deliver the hairdryer upstairs. Once you are happy with your trace, press OK. And save. Please bear in mind that your guest is lactose intolerant, so we wanted to do two things: update the booking and his profile for future stays. Let's start with the profile. Go to the ellipsis just here. Select Options, Notes, then New. You want to select the food and beverage department. Press OK. In title, you put intolerance. And I already copied the message, so I will paste it. Guest is lactose intolerant. If you type it in, don't forget to copy it by doing Ctrl+C, as we will paste it into a trace. Press OK. Close your individual notes panel. Press OK on your profile to go back to your reservation, and we need to inform the department for this stay. Option, Traces. Then you click on New. You select the department F&B, which is for all the food and beverage department, kitchen, restaurant, and so on and so forth. And in your trace text, you do Ctrl+V. Guest is lactose intolerant. Now press OK to complete your trace. Close your traces panel. Close your options and press Save. Finally, we have to check in the guest. Press OK on your reservation. Go to Front Desk. Select Arrivals. Type in the last name of your guest. In my case, is Thomas. Click Search. Open your booking. Now, in order to check in, we need a room. Oh, congratulations on your anniversary. That's what you would say when you check in the guest. And oh, we've got also a package for you. Would you like it now, or would you like to collect it later on? Okay, always acknowledge your alert whenever they pop up. Now, in order to check in, we wanted to assign a room. Go to your room drop-down menu. And here, if you don't have any result, it might be because you don't have any smoking room. So you will delete the smoking sign and press Search. And here you've got a room. So select one. Because it was so many specifications, the room might have been allocated in advance. I will select 707 in our case and press OK. Now it's important that whenever you assign a room, you press Save to ensure that the room number is done. We did everything properly. This message comes because of the high floor discussed before. We say no, because the high floor was for one stay only. Right, now your page is saved. You will have to print the registration card, which I will skip now. You will have to ask the guest for a credit card when you check in. In case the credit card number is different, you will update it and you will have to authorize the money. Now, everything is fine from our point of view. To check in the guest, we just have to click on OK. The system says, would like to check in Mr. Thomas. Say yes. Now, your guest is now checked in, so he will disappear from your arrival list and you will find him in-house. So you need to close that panel, go to your in-house guest, just like so. Type in the last name again to find your guest, so Thomas. Oops. Thomas, click search, open the booking, and we have to authorize the credit card. So you will have taken the guest credit card, you will have put in a chip and pin device, authorize the money for the stay, and what you have left to do now is to go to options and click on authorization, so credit cards, authorization, manual, and type in the authorization code. So because I did not authorize real money, I will type in the fat code made of 6 digits and I press OK. I close that panel and I just have to press save. Before that, you can see that the approval code and the approval amount has been authorized here. Press save. This brings our exercise number 7 to an end. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.